So not too long ago, I did sounds for a show, and that's what I'm going to show you right now, is what it was like for me to be backstage in Awesome. And this is also actually for my cousin Marley, who she asked me to see the backstage of our theater, because it's huge, I guess. It's pretty big, not really. It's for a school, I guess, because her own school has a theater. I forgot to take her back there, so this is what I'm doing right now. I'm taking Marley around, and you, same time. What do you do for strike?
Take down this whole thing.
Oh,
But not sure.
no disc. What the? What is in the disc? Why would someone do this to me?
No. Instead I'm gonna break it out.
Well, I mean, it's possible someone would take like a sledgehammer to it, but
I just hate walking on it. Just walking this. Over there I'm fine. Just walking this strip. It squeaks and it shakes.
Ooh.
Train.
Yeah. Oh, look at the stars, look at the stars. Oh. Look at the lights. The light room. Oh, there are people. Television. Power switch. Where did it go? We're about to start. I'm so excited. Backstage. Oh my god. My camera has horrible lighting. Oh my god. Look, things. Hi. This is the back. Oh, doors. Aren't they fancy? And there are lights. Oh my god. Wood. Lots of wood. Look, there are little pictures. Pictures on the wall. Somewhere. Some other pictures. I'll find some handprints. I'm gonna put like a red one, just like down the wall, just red. Like, I don't know what this means. There's a door. Look at. So weird. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at microphones. look look at the tree. Look at the wind. The wind is everywhere.